Welcome back. Let's talk to Craig Erlam. He's a senior market analyst for Oanda. We're going to talk the euro against the Japanese yen. Let's pull up the slide, Craig. What are your thoughts here?
Well, I think it's starting to look a little bit toppy, which isn't a surprise. We've had a very strong rally since the middle of April. We've come from around the 115, 116 level. We're now at around 130. No one can tell me that that's not a strong rally over the course of only 4 months.
Yep.
But it's potentially starting to look a little toppy. This is where the two indicators at the bottom really start to come into it. We've approached the kind of 132 level. That's a historical level of resistance. You can't see the point because we are talking years ago,
right.
So it's hard to get that on the chart without blurring the rest of it. But if you look at the MACD and the stochastic at the bottom, we've seen higher highs made in price action at a time when lower highs have been made on the stochastic, which is the top indicator, and also on the moving averages and the histogram on the MACD as well. So divergence, as you say. Now that's not necessarily an initial selling signal in itself. You need things to back it up, and the backup for me could be potentially the break, say below those kind of 128.50s, 128.20s, which is the previous low. It ends a series of higher lows, which is what you'd expect in a bullish pattern. So if we get the divergence combined with that the signal that we've seen an end to these series of high lows, then that could potentially signal a move back towards that kind of 125.80 to 126 area. That's the next level of price resistance, possible support. Then we start to see the cloud come into play. We start to see the moving average come into play as well. So that would be the next next level of support for me. And a break below that is quite bearish.
So for non-technical people, just to highlight that, we're above the cloud, so that acts as support below the market. In terms of, we've got this divergence on the momentum indicator, the stochastic, and the MACD, basically breaking down as the price action's gone into new highs. Mm-hmm. So we've got a warning, but the confirmation, basically we need a lower high in the price action, don't we?
Exactly.
Really to think about going short.
In a good strong uptrend, you want the momentum indicators to be supportive of the price action, and when that doesn't happen, then it tends to be a warning signal. It's a red flag.
Okay. And obviously picking tops is very, very difficult, but that could be a potential setup.
At least in the near term.
Thank you very much indeed.